चिमण्या गोष्टी. Kids, today we will learn about the fascinating mythological story behind Vasant Panchami and goddess Saraswati's worship. It is believed that when Lord Brahma, the creator of the universe, formed living beings and humans, he looked at his creation, but he found it lifeless, silent, and dull. There was no voice, no sound anywhere. Seeing this, Brahma felt disappointed. Following Lord Vishnu's command, he sprinkled water from his holy Kamandalu onto the earth. As soon as the drops touched the ground, the earth trembled and a divine goddess appeared. This goddess had 4 arms, one holding a veena, another holding a hook, the third with a rosary, and the fourth hand raised in a blessing gesture. Brahma requested the goddess to play the veena. The moment she played it, the melodious tunes filled the air, and all living beings gave the gift of speech. From that moment, she was known as Saraswati, the goddess of speech, wisdom, and intellect. This goddess is also known by many names: Bhagyeshwari, Bhagwati, Sharada, Vadini, and Vagdevi. यांना तर अनेक नावे आहेत. लॉर्ड कृष्ण was the first to worship goddess Saraswati. कृष्णाने प्रथम देवी सरस्वती goddess Lord Krishna जेव्हा he was mesmerized by his divine form and wished to have a मोहित आणि त्यांना पतिरूपाने प्राप्त करण्याची इच्छा व्यक्त केली. कृष्णा granted a boon that those who seek knowledge and wisdom समर्पित आहे. worship her on the सरस्वती पंचमी of the Mahamantra. Is then the tradition of worshiping goddess Saraswati on Vasant Panchami began. त्यामुळे पहिल्यांदा श्री वसंत पंचमी मास न्यू बिगिनिंग and the pursuit of wisdom तेव्हापासून सुरू झाली. सरस्वती today मित्रांनो वसंत पंचमी for knowledge and intellect नव्या ज्ञानाचा प्रारंभ. चला आपणही आज सरस्वती देवीची पूजा करून विद्या आणि बुद्धीची आराधना करूया.